Hey guys, I am Sneha and you are watching my channel Book Junction. Welcome to another brand new video. So it's almost Christmas time and it's my favorite time of the year. The whole vibe is so exciting, positive and festive, and the best way to enjoy this time of the year is by listening to Christmas stories and creating Christmas inspired art journal spreads. So that's what you're going to see in today's video. Now, there are so many audiobooks on Storytel that will give you the ideal Christmas vibes. The one that I've picked to listen to today is Christmas at Tiffany's by Karen Swan. Now, this is a sequel of the book Summer at Tiffany's that I read earlier this year, and I absolutely fell in love with Karen Swan's writing, and I've heard so much about the sequel as well. Now, if you are also looking for some Christmas book recommendations, then you can listen to a bunch of audiobooks on Storytel. Here are some of my recommendations. You can listen to A Christmas Carol by Charles Dickens. It's the quintessential Christmas book. Next, I recommend 12 Days of Winter. This one is a collection of interlinked stories of crime, perfect for the chilly December weather. Then you can listen to Christmas on the Island by Jenny Colgan, because I think reading about a Scottish island lit in Christmas decoration will be ideal. Duke Actually by Jenny Holiday is also a wonderful Christmas book with its romance factor. Currently, there's a 50% off on Storytel's annual subscription. If you also want to listen to unlimited audiobooks, then head to the link in my description box and get your subscription right now. So let's start the art journal spread. Now, when we think about Christmas, there are two major colors that instantly come in my mind, and those are red and green. They can be any shades of these two colors, but I personally prefer the bright red and a dark green color. So that's what I'm going to do first. I'm going to paint either pages with the two colors, and look at this red color. It's so vibrant, so beautiful, and it reminds me of Santa Claus. Both the pages look so vibrant and beautiful. Now I'm using this craft paper and I'm cutting a piece out of it. I will stick it on the right side where there is red. Then I'm just going to stick some washi tapes. I will just figure out where they look the best. Now, of course, it's completely optional. If you don't want to spend your money on washi tapes, it's completely fine. But since I've got them, I thought I will make use of them. And since it's the festive season, I really felt like using all the stationery that I have. So next I'm using these cardstock papers, and these are so pretty. So I have picked this pink one. I think it really goes well with the whole vibe. It has a picture of the Gilmore Girls. So next I have this paper which has some fruits on it. Looks so beautiful. So this is how I've created the spread for the right hand side. Now, I found this particular quotation on Pinterest and I loved it instantly. It matches with the whole vibe and the weather right now. So it goes like, it's getting cold outside, so let's carry hope and be kind. I think it's so beautiful. Then I thought I will write down some Christmas reads So first I took this paper and I took a green color pencil, and I just created a grid kind of pattern all over it, and then I'm writing down all the Christmas reads. These books are must read Christmas books, and if you haven't read them, I think this is the time when you should definitely indulge in reading these. You can write down any lists you want. You can write down a watch list, that is all the movies or TV series that one should watch during the Christmas holiday season. I think one of the best Christmas movies for me has to be The Holiday. I watched it recently and it really gave me all the Christmas vibes. It was beautiful, the acting was amazing, and it just felt so nice watching it. So if you haven't watched that, you should definitely watch it. It's amazing. Anyway, then I'm just cutting all these words out of the whole sentence. I've written it's feeling a lot like Christmas, and then I will place it on the top of the spread. By the way, guys, I apologize for any background noise. The thing is, everyone is screaming outside. I don't know what's wrong, but kids are playing, screaming, adults are screaming, and it's just crazy. I try to do the voiceover at night, and even then, like, there are dogs barking. So I really can't help it. I'm trying my best. So apologies if there is any background noise. Anyway, then I'm using this really thin washi tape to stick on the edges, and this one I love. It has some gold foiling and it looks so pretty. Alright guys, so this is my art journal spread inspired by Christmas. I think this could have been way better. I think there is a lot of space for improvement. I could have done better. I'm not 100% satisfied with this, but anyway, I enjoyed the whole process a lot. I placed this table in my balcony, sat down under the beautiful December sun, and created this. It was really a lot of fun. I enjoyed my time, and I think that's the whole point of creating an art journal spread. It's a great way to enjoy a particular day, occasion, whatsoever. So if you are also looking for a plan for your holiday, I think this is a great way to enjoy by yourself. If you are someone who is alone on any particular occasion, you can just indulge in some art. So if you like this video, definitely subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.